Hey guys, Rallion doing an unboxing of, well, a frickin' Blu Ray. You're gonna see what it is. Man, I'm so tired, you guys. Anyway, let's unbox this bad boy, shall we? It Happened Tomorrow, which is a really, I don't want to say it's underrated because it's not. It's just not talked about at all. It's a movie with Dick Powell and Linda Darnell. It Happened Tomorrow. Really great movie. I think it's better than Groundhog Day, you guys. I make the comparison because Groundhog Day is a fantasy comedy, and this is a fantasy comedy. But this is an absolutely fantastic movie. I've never seen a single review on YouTube for this movie. So, oh, it's by this label. I've never heard of this Blu Ray label before. I wish I could get a better focus here. We'll focus better on this once it's out of the wrapping. So. I love this movie. Oh crap. Okay, good. I thought it was gonna be one of those cases that it gets stuck to the side. So let's do a better. You know what? I'll take it down here. Alright, so here's the movie. Happen Tomorrow. It includes the trailer, which is really neat. A lot of these smaller labels don't usually have special features. So we'll put this here. Here's the disc art there. And geez, here's some of the other films. Let's see what they got. Got some Buster Keaton going on. Yeah, some more. Wow, they got a lot of Buster Keaton. Alright. Okay, so they have a streaming service as well. Well, that was the unboxing. Peace.